Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a clean Bluetooth environment. Charge the earbuds above 50% and the case to at least 20% so pairing won't fail mid-process. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your device and close background audio apps that can interfere. Open the case and press the dedicated pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds. The LED should flash. This initiates pairing mode, so your device can discover the earbuds immediately, which is faster and more reliable than waiting passively. You'll now connect and verify settings. On your phone, tap the Cloud Nest entry in Bluetooth. If you don't see it, refresh the list after closing and reopening Bluetooth. Once connected, allow required permissions so call audio and media output route correctly. Then open the companion app to confirm firmware version and adjust the EQ. This optimizes audio and fixes compatibility issues. Make sure one earbud isn't muted by checking left/right channels in the app, because you finish by validating function and knowing one clear fix. Play music and make a quick call to confirm mic and stereo channels. Swap ears to ensure left and right are correct. If pairing fails or audio drops, hold both earbuds for 10 seconds to reset them, then re-enable Bluetooth and pair again. If that still fails, perform a factory reset from the app or restart your phone before retrying. This reset often clears cache or legacy links that block a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.